Welcome to Galaxy India Toon TV.
Hello again. Let's move forward with the vowel A. Look at the pictures and say aloud. What is this?
This is a lamp.
Right. What is this?
This is a car.
Correct. What is this?
This is a tap.
Absolutely right. What is this?
This is a ball.
Perfect. Now, fill in the blanks using the pictures. We see a dash in hilly areas.
Yeah.
Right. I love to eat bread and dash.
Jam.
Correct. Dash is made of wood.
Table.
Right, a table. Dash eats cheese and paper.
Rat.
Correct, you guessed it right. If you like this video, then there is lot more. Keep following for more fun activities.